Oh, it's our top story. Hurricane Matthew barreling toward the United States at this hour, set to make landfall in Florida later tonight. Good evening, everybody. I'm Jim Hadley.
And I'm Wendy Rieger. This Category 4 storm has already left behind a path of destruction throughout the Caribbean. And this evening, people all along the Florida coastline are being warned, if you stay, this could kill you.
Yeah, the National Weather Service warning this may cause intense human suffering. We want to get the latest now from Chief Meteorologist Doug Kammerer. Doug, what are you seeing?
Yeah, and those extremely strong words, guys, are not words that are used very often for storms, but for this magnitude of a storm, this may be the strongest storm to ever hit portions of eastern Florida. Let's take a look at it right now and show you what's happening. Already coming through the Bahamas, Category 4 storm with winds of 140 miles per hour. Take a look at where the eye is, just off to the east now of the Miami area. You see Miami right here. Here's the eye of the storm, and it's been moving a little to the north and now starting to move back to the northwest. Still has to go through a couple of Bahamian islands before making its way up towards parts of Florida. But they're already seeing the outer rain bands. We've already seen sustained winds at tropical storm force, and the big-time bands are not even close to the coast. Now, as we look towards the official track here, this should be the new track. I'm looking at this now. Winds out of the moving to the northeast, or northwest rather, at 13 miles per hour, 140 mile per hour wind. So yes, this is the new track, and it still brings it very close to the coast, very close to the Space Coast, right around Cape Canaveral as a Category 4 hurricane, and then switches it over to a 3. Now, that might be because of some land interaction here. So again, I'm just seeing this just like you for the first time, down to 125 mile an hour winds right along the coast. Not going to have that big of a difference, though, as far as a 4 or a strong 3 in this area. So that's what we're going to be watching. Take a look at the latest computer models here. Off the coast at 7 o'clock, here's the bigger outer band. And once this moves on shore, you can see it right around West Palm, around Jupiter, around Palm City and Fort Pierce. This is when we start to see the heaviest winds. It will be tonight, over the next 6 to 7 hours, that they start to move on shore. Notice around Melbourne, this is like almost a worst-case scenario with that flow coming right off of the ocean. Storm surge is going to be incredible in parts of these areas. Much more on this. I'll update you. I'm going to go look at some more of the latest information that just came out. I'll update you on what that says coming up at 5:25.
All right, that looks pretty ferocious. Yeah. Thank you, Doug. Disaster team from our area that often responds to disasters around the world is heading south right now. Virginia's Task Force 1 expects to arrive in Florida tomorrow to help with the relief efforts there. News 4's Megan Fitzgerald live at their headquarters in Chantilly. Megan?
Yeah, members of this task force have been working for the last couple of hours now to try and get everything together, all of the food and all the life-saving measures necessary to try and do so when they get to Florida. If you take a look behind me here, you can see a few of them are still out here. We're told they will be heading out any minute now. But to give you some context here, we're talking about the best of the best, highly trained doctors and first responders that are well aware of what's in store. When a natural disaster hits, Virginia Task Force 1 is usually the first to be called.
Our activation orders came late this morning, and we've got the team here preparing to go out.
So crews are working quickly, loading motors, fuel, water, and everything that they'll need to be self-sufficient for 14 days while working to save lives.
So we'll be taking some of our water assets for rescue. We'll take equipment to make rescues in structures that are collapsed. Be able to do searches for people that might be stuck in their homes. We'll take our own medical provisions so that we have the ability to treat people we find.
Inside the warehouse, more supplies are loaded onto one of the 15 trucks that will deploy to an area near Orlando, Florida, while others work fast to get their own bags in order.
Yes. Your accountability tags, helmet, and I see your 3 bags up there.
Each member knows that the mission ahead will be dangerous, but they're willing nonetheless to put their lives on the line to save complete strangers.
It's my calling. It's what I love to do, to help people.
Now we're told members of the task force are expected to make it to the Orlando area at around 7 o'clock tomorrow. And important to note that a lot of these men and women responded to Katrina over a decade ago, and they say there were some lessons learned. So coming up at 6, we'll tell you what they learned and how those lessons will be applied this time around. Back Back to you.
All right, Megan, thanks so much. This hurricane has been catastrophic for the island of Haiti, where they have more than 100 confirmed deaths now. Along with flooding and heavy winds, countless homes have been reduced to rubble. The United Nations estimates 350,000 people in that country will need some kind of assistance, making it the worst humanitarian crisis since that 2010 earthquake.
And the cleanup is just starting in Cuba after Matthew demolished homes in one of the country's easternmost cities, Baracoa. Also damaged 2 bridges that lead to that area. That's left the town cut off from the rest of the country. They say 35,000 residents had to move inland to higher ground.
In the Bahamas, still feeling the effects of this hurricane, and there are reports some people are trapped. The storm brought down trees across the islands and a mess as they deal with high winds. NBC's Tammy Leitner is in Nassau.
Matthew has been pounding this island for at least 8 hours. We're talking winds 125, 130 miles an hour. Extremely dangerous, whipping, and right when we think they're going to let up, they keep going. I want to give you an idea of the damage that we are looking at. If you go straight down there, you can see cars right in front of us are here. They're covered with trees. Trees have literally toppled over on top of them. And if we go back over buildings behind them, there are some air conditioners that have blown off the roofs. They've landed on top of the building. Keep going to the right. We've got power lines that went down. Keep going. We've got several huge trees that look like they've crushed at least 5 or 6. Now, earlier today, we heard transformers exploding. We lost power at one point. We're now operating on generators here at this hotel. I'm assuming they've lost power on other parts of the island. Just a lot of destruction. We've been able to get over to the other side to see what's happened over there, where a lot of the locals will do that as soon as we're able to. Back to you guys.
Wow, Tammy Leitner in the Bahamas. We invite News 4 for continuing coverage throughout the evening of Hurricane Matthew and its impact. Ahead of 10 minutes, we'll have a live report just north of West Palm Beach in Florida.
Here at home, a DC firefighter and a paramedic